Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure you click the subscribe button down below. So we just got 2 texts where our wedding is going to be. We are on a countdown of 6 days. No. Yeah, 6 days. It is crazy how fast this day is going to come. But we are in our hotel room and I want to give you guys a tour because we got an in suite and it is the coolest room ever. So when you walk in, you have these really cute lights, and directly over here you have the restroom. There's a restroom and this really cool mirror. And then when you come this way, you have our bed, a TV, and like a bunch of storage, and then another mirror, which there's a light. I don't even know how to turn this on. Anyways, and then you can come over here. We have like a little couch over here. And then this way you have the living room. Ignore that, that's for a flower wall. And it looks so cool. It's so spacious. I love the decor. This plant is really cute. We're watching the Dallas Cowboys right now. And then we have so much decorations for the wedding and our congratulation balloons. And then we have this wine cooler, and you're back at the front. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how we're gonna make a huge flower wall. We're waiting for everyone to get here, and then I'll catch up with you guys. Okay, so here is the foam wall. It is huge. And so we're gonna stick the flowers all on here. So we went to Hobby Lobby and got a bunch of flowers. There's so many in here and even in this one, for the flower wall. It was crazy how much of flowers we have in here. So now we're just gonna stick them on there, and I got this idea from Amber Scholl's YouTube video. It is so cool in the flower wall. Her flower wall turned out amazing, so looking forward to doing this with mine. Okay, so we just started on the flower wall and it's going pretty good, and Yasmin is here. And this is how it looks so far. And we have all that to go. It looks really long on the camera.
This is Obby's DIY.
This is my DIY idea. They're hard to stay in, huh?
Yes, they are.
But it looks good from right here. And then we're gonna do rows of these leaves just to like fill up some gaps. And then we have more flowers. So this is what it looks like so far. We have a lot to go, but it's looking pretty good. Okay, this is what we have so far.
Orange hair, blue hair, green hair.
Really? Here's some decorations my mom set up. It looks so cool. We have these. Looks really pretty. And then, and over here I built this for pictures. And it says she's getting married. I'll have to stand on this side. Looks really cool. And then they have like a lot of different happy wife, happy life. This just got real. And then some of these you can like customize. It looks so cool. Okay, so this is what we have so far on night 1. So I added some greenery so to fill some space. And then I did a white, and then greenery, and then white, and then more greenery. And then we're gonna do these, which is like pink and white mix. And then down there, it looks so pretty. We have just pink and then some greenery. But it is 11:32 and I'm so tired, so we are going to finish the rest of it tomorrow. Okay, so our room is a mess with all the wedding stuff, but we went to Hobby Lobby and Michael's and got a bunch of things to finish this in our centerpieces. So I'm actually going to start on the flower wall because Hobby Lobby no longer has any more of these pink flowers, which is insane because they're really pretty. And so I'm gonna add some more greenery. There's so many holes. And then this is how this part looks. It looks so good. There's a stumble in the back. So basically what I'm doing is, in order to get the leaves that I showed you guys, I took all the flowers off of here, all the white flowers or pink flowers, whatever color. They just slid right off. But in order for these to stick into the foam, you have to cut with some pliers because it's so hard to scissors. So we got some pliers today, and we're gonna cut these and put some more on here like this. And it's such a pretty day out. So this is how this little patch of leaves looks. I think it looks really pretty with the pink since we ran out of those flowers. So just doing another patch right here. Here is the view of our room, and there is a Texas flag right there. It's an okay view. The pool looks really cool, the lights. And our flower wall is almost finished. And are you tired?
Yeah, very tired. It's hot.
And here's a sneak peek of our centerpieces. These are for the little tables, and these are for the court tables, the wedding court tables. Really pretty. So we had to move rooms because our AC in our other room broke, but they moved us a floor down, and it is so much cooler in here. It's not so hot at all. So we just finished moving everything, and now we're tired. So this is our wedding venue. They upgraded us and everything is pretty much ready for the big day. And here's our flower wall. It looks amazing. It's finally complete. It took 4 days, but it looks really, really good, and it's gonna be right here. And then we're gonna have some big letters over there where the DJ is. There's a dance floor. We'll have like balloon chandelier up there. It'll be so pretty, and this will be the main table for the wedding court. And I love it. I can't wait to decorate everything.